Singles Awareness Day, meaning Singles Awareness Day is an informal holiday devoted to individuals who aren't in a romantic relationship. Singles Awareness Day is, not coincidentally, the day after Valentine's Day. It is typically observed as an alternative or antithesis to Valentine's Day's traditional celebration of love and romantic relationships, which can have the effect of making those without romantic partners or dates on the day feel self-conscious or left out. Those who observe Singles Awareness Day often do so in lighthearted ways that celebrate and embrace their single relationship status, despite the negativity sometimes associated with being single. They may spend time with other single friends or indulge in some of the same things traditionally exchanged by romantic partners on Valentine's Day, such as by buying themselves chocolates or flowers. Some of those who observe or promote the day treat it as an opportunity to offer a more serious commentary on the high value that society places on being in a relationship and the resulting pressure on people to be in one.